We're back in the heater project. I know it's been a little while, so we're gonna run some typical queries. Just one thing I'm gonna note along the way is we learned that the ULI17 format that we had in the past was dropping a lot of the actual content. So we now use a pre-processing OCR step that'll flatten all of it into just plain text. We're pretty soon going to add ability to capture tables and everything, figures, so that should be a lot cleaner. But for now, you can now run this again. It should run pretty quickly since everything should be in memory. But we get much more detailed answers. And the reason for this is if we scroll over and look at the logs, you'll see that we actually iterate through a variety of different queries. We start by looking for whether or not there is a standard that is related to this, then querying for a specific section from the standard based on the query, and then taking that specific section and generating our final response based on that. So you see that here we got actually very specific subsections and requirements from section 9.9 of ULI 17. This isn't super specific to the kind of stuff that you were looking for in terms of, say, like gauge width of insulators, but gives you some great information about remote control features, solid state controls, the reference standards that we'll then loop into for the next step of this. Say stuff like the maximum horsepower of associated motors, assuming this is like a rotating heater, which I guess you are, and some different things like that. Hopefully that gives a little bit better of a response.